What's up, guys? Cat and D-Mac here, and today I'm going to talk to you about something I've avoided for 20 years. Yes, 20 years. What might that be? Yes, it's true. It's true. I'm now into Pokemon, okay? Come on. It's a lot of fun, Basically, this all started because, as you guys probably know by now, I'm a huge fan of Boogie2988. And he started playing Pokemon, the trading card game, online, which is actually free and quite fun. I recommend it. In the game, you can buy Pokemon cards in real life and get a code to use in the game to get a free booster or whatever. So he bought a couple and got the codes, and then bought some more, and then bought some more, and then bought some more. And anyway, and I've just been watching. He opens them on stream every night now, and they just look cool. So I'm looking at these cards he's opening, and I'm just thinking to myself, "Wow, those are neat looking cards. I'd like to try it out." So for basically no other purpose other than just to collect them, because I like looking at them, I'm now a Pokemon card collector. So, for my first Pokemon purchase, I went with the Elite Trainer box, as I probably shouldn't have done, as I know nothing. Well, I know very little about Pokemon, and I don't have anything. So, but I was like, you know what? This thing looks awesome. It's 20th anniversary thing. I don't know. It just looks cool. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. So anyway, this is my unboxing video. Now, I made this video a couple weeks ago. Yeah, a while back. I don't know when. And I'm just now making this one in an effort to just kind of get straight to the good cards and stuff. I just wanted to give you a little quick intro as to what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, because I'm going to sound like an idiot, and go easy on me, man. Okay? Please. Please. No, I don't know how to pronounce half of them. And no, I don't know everything. I don't know that much. You know what I mean? Again, this is mostly just for the art and just because they're fun to collect. So I wanted to show you a few of the extra things you get in this box and why it's a good box. I'm going to start off with this. You get this and another one. You get this fat stack of energy. You get these dividers here. These nifty sleeves, which probably my favorite part about the little extra thing. You get this pack of dice. And this is the large one. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller ones. But see, it has the little Pikachu emblem. And finally, in addition to all of this, you get this booklet, which is quite helpful. And then it has this little check-off guide. So you can check off the ones that you get. So I thought that was pretty cool. As a special promotion, this box comes with this special Shaman EX, which I will show in the video. Well, I may not show in the video now. But this is the Shaman EX. So this is a gorgeous foiled card. Like I said, it's a promo one, so it comes in every box. With that being said, let me show you what cards I got. Enjoy. So anyways, here it is. The Pokemon Elite Trainer box. And let's try to get it in closer here. You see all the little Pokemon around the box and whatnot. Well, that's pretty cool. Of course, the big Pikachu in the middle. Initial impressions are, wow, this is pretty cool. These, I'm just gonna like totally destroy this, okay, and then I'll come back to it later, I guess. All right, so here are the booster packs. It looks like. There it is. Very cool. Shaman EX. See, this is exactly the reason why I'm doing this. Because I just like the way they look. You know? Like, I just like the way the card looks. Okay. Start cracking packs. Start with this one. Okay. We have Jinx, Snorunt, Trainer Crushing Hammer, Energy Switch, cool, Caterpie, Clefairy? I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these. Ponyta, alright, Magikarp, and, oh, cool. Okay, Trainer, and nice. What was that? Frostlass? Okay, so I had a bit of camera malfunction. It died on me. Okay, so we just opened up pack number 1. Now let's do pack number 2. Okay, Rapidash. Flabibi. Alright, let's see. Pokemon Center Lady. Nice to have you on board. Energy Switch. Always nice to have. Let's see. Diglett. An energy. Cool. Shelter. Okay. Caterpie. And, whoops. Very nice. Look at this. Ooh, very nice, Ghastly. And whoa! Hello! Hello! Sylveon EX. Nice. Pack number 3. Okay, here we go. Ho! Look at this. I believe that's a full art. Articuno. Wowie zowie. Nice. Very good start. Got some Swablu. Claymont. Shauna. Paris? Yeah, I guess. Rhyhorn. Zubat. Ponyta. Oh, nice. Is that a foil energy, I believe? And, whoa! Hello! Another EX. Good God. Yeah, I'll take that. Right. Moving right along. Pinsar. Raichu. Oh, nice. Pokemon Fan Club. Yeah. Pokeball. Cool. Another Rhyhorn. Energy. Very nice. Diglett. Pikachu. And, ooh, wow, look at that. I think that's, okay, this is a reverse holo, yes. And a Deaden. I don't, yeah. Meh. Up next. Doug Trio. Charmander. Oh, fun. It's one of those special art ones, I think. Ooh, Golbat. Olympia. Magmar. Another Pikachu. Energy. Slowpoke. And, ooh. Oh, okay. Team Flare Grunt. And, hey, cool. Charizard. Okay. Oh, neat. Right off the bat. Dodrio. I'm not going to try. Flabébé, maybe. Pokeball. What's this? Persian. Zubat. Energy. Magmar. Once again. Paris. And whoa. So did I reverse hollow? Yes. Hitmonchan? Hitmonchan? I don't know. And another dead end. That wasn't so great. That's okay. That's okay. That's part of the fun, you know. If you get all these cards, you just never know what you're gonna get. Gyarados. I keep saying Pokémon just like as a joke, and then I accidentally kind of got stuck saying it like that. Max Revive. Cool. Okay. Metapod. Energy, sorry. Another Zubat. Another Magmar. Another Diglett. And Clement Trainer. And ooh. Cool. Let's get the shiny shines on there. Meowstic. Meowstic. 3 to go. Alright, another stage 1 Dodrio. Fletchling. Sorry, trying to get in focus here. Olympia. Another Max Revive. Cool. A basic Ghastly. Energy. Krabby. Oops. Geodude. Cool. Clefable, and whoa, yes. Hello. Sweet. 2 to go. Only. Shroomish. Wow. What is this? Machoke. Pokemon Fan Club. Krabby. Energy. Another Slowpoke. Hey, Machop. That's what that other guy evolves from. Cool. And, ooh, Foil Energy. And Floette. Cool. Last pack. Here we go. Parasect. Another Wobbuffet. Still don't get that. Wow, another Persian. Ooh, a Machoke. Zubat. Energy. Another Magmar. Another Paris. Hey, look at that. Sweet. And finally, oh. No. You see it? Jirachi? So there you have it. I got some pretty decent cards, I think. I know I sound kind of like an idiot when I'm talking about them. Forgive me again, go easy on me. I think my favorite one was this Articuno. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I am planning something, actually. I got some of these to open. Some mystery power boxes. And these, 1 in every 50 packs, you have a chance for a vintage mystery pack. Not that I'll probably find it, but I want to open one of these a week on the channel. Just, you know, for fun. Why not? I've already opened one. I got a little crazy when I opened up the box, finished opening up the box. I was like, I'm going to dive straight in. And that's why my stack is so thick. But between the 2 boxes, I got some pretty decent cards. But yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know. Tell me what I'm pronouncing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. All of it's helpful to me. Yeah, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, see you later.